In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printer under $300 on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done. Let's dive into the video. Number 1. Geeetech A20T 3D Printer. The Geeetech 3D printer from mainland China offers a reliable and versatile printing solution for users with its range of features. With a slice thickness of 0.1.2 millimeters and a printing speed of 30 to 60 millimeters per second, this printer ensures high-quality prints at varying speeds. It comes equipped with auto-leveling capability and supports the English language, making it user-friendly. Operating on Windows, macOS, and Linux systems, the printer has a power supply of 100 to 120 volts, 200 to 240 volts, and a maximum working speed of 120 millimeters per second. It supports filaments such as ABS and PLA with a precision level of XY and 1 mm Z, 0.0025 millimeters. The Geeetech printer has a maximum print size of 320 by 3 by 420 millimeters, utilizing FDM molding technology for reliable prints. It features a nozzle diameter of 0.4 millimeters and a bed temperature of 100 degrees, with a maximum diameter temperature of 200 degrees. The printer is compatible with slice software like Repetier Host, EasyPrint 3D, and Cura, supporting file formats such as the STL and G-code. With a USB interface type and CE certification, the Geeetech printer offers a seamless printing experience for both enthusiasts and professionals. Number 2. Twotrees Blue 5 3D Printer. The Twotrees 3D printer from mainland China is a high-performance machine designed to meet the needs of users with its advanced features. With a slice thickness range of 0.1.4 millimeters and a wide printing speed range of 200 millimeters per second, this printer offers versatility in producing high-quality prints at varying speeds. It is equipped with auto-leveling capability and supports multiple languages, including Chinese, English, French, Spanish, German, Korean, and Russian, making it accessible to a global audience. Operating on Windows and macOS systems, the printer has a power supply of 220 110-volt 360 watts and a maximum printing speed of 1,000 millimeters per second. It supports various filaments such as PLA, ABS, P, and wood with a precision level of 0.2 millimeters. The Twotrees printer has a maximum print size of 300 by 300 by 400 millimeters, utilizing FDM molding technology for reliable prints. It features a nozzle diameter of 0.4 millimeters and a bed temperature of 100 degrees, with a maximum diameter temperature of 260 degrees. The printer is compatible with slice software like Repetier Host and Cura, supporting file formats such as STL, OBJ, and JPG. With an SD interface type and CE certification, the Twotrees printer offers a seamless printing experience for users. The machine is constructed with sheet metal material and features a 4.3-inch color touchscreen display for easy operation. With XY-axis positioning accuracy of 0.01 mm and Z-axis positioning accuracy of 0.04 mm, this printer ensures precise and accurate prints. The printing platform includes a hotbed with 3M hotbed sticker and spring steel PEI membrane for enhanced adhesion. The Twotrees printer operates in a working environment with temperatures ranging from 5 to 40 degrees Celsius and humidity levels of 20 to 60%, making it suitable for various settings. Number 3. KINGROON K3S Pro V2 3D Printer. The Mega KP3S Pro V2 3D printer from mainland China is a versatile and high-performance machine designed to cater to a wide range of users with its advanced features. With a slice thickness range of 0.5 to 2.3 millimeters and a fast printing speed range of 200 to 350 millimeters per second, this printer offers precision and efficiency in producing high-quality prints. It features auto-leveling capability and supports English and Chinese languages for user convenience. Operating on various design software such as Pro, SolidWorks, UG, 3ds Max, and Rhino 3D, the printer has a power supply of 24 volts and a maximum printing speed of 350 millimeters with a maximum working speed of 500 millimeters per second. The Mega KP3S Pro V2 supports filaments like PLA, ABS, TPU, and wood with a precision level of 0.0 mm. It comes with a standard 0.4 mm nozzle diameter that can be interchanged with other sizes for customization. The printer has a maximum print size of 200 by 200 by 200 millimeters, utilizing FDM molding technology for reliable prints. It operates on a voltage range of 110 to 220 volts and features a USB interface type for connectivity. With CE certification, the Mega KP3S Pro V2 ensures quality and safety standards. The printer is compatible with slicing software like Cura and Repeater Host, supporting file formats such as STL, OBJ, and G-code. It has a nozzle maximum temperature of 260 degrees Celsius and a heated bed maximum temperature of 100 degrees. The machine offers features like material break detection and machine leveling support for enhanced user experience. With a compact size of 330 by 506 millimeters and a weight of about 6.5 kilograms, the Mega KP3S Pro V2 is a reliable and efficient 3D printer suitable for various applications. Number 4. Tronxy XA 3D Printer. The Tronxy X5 SA 3D printer from mainland China is a feature-rich and versatile machine suitable for a wide range of users. With a slice thickness range of 0.1 to 4 millimeters and a printing speed range of 20 to 150 millimeters per second, this printer offers a balance of precision and speed in producing prints. It features auto-leveling capability and supports multiple languages including Chinese, English, Japanese, Korean, Russian, German, French, and Spanish for enhanced accessibility. Operating on Windows, macOS, and Linux systems, the Tronxy X5 SA has a power supply of 24 volts and a maximum printing speed of 150 millimeters per second, with a maximum working speed of 150 millimeters. The printer supports a variety of filaments including PLA, ABS, HIPS, flexible materials, wood, PC, PVC, and more, with a precision level of 0.015 Z and 0.2 millimeters. It comes with a standard 0.4 millimeter nozzle diameter and a maximum print size of 330 to 330 by 400 millimeters, utilizing FDM molding technology for reliable prints. The Tronxy X5 SA operates on a voltage range of 110 to 220 volts and features a USB interface type for connectivity. With CE certification, this printer ensures quality and safety standards are met. It supports slicing software like Repeater Host and Cura and file formats such as STL, G-code, and OBJ. The printer has a nozzle maximum temperature of 60 degrees Celsius and a bed temperature of 100 degrees Celsius. With a color print speed of 60 millimeters per second, the Tronxy X5 SA offers a versatile and efficient 3D printing experience. Its Core XY structure and Resume power failure feature enhance usability and reliability, making it a valuable addition to any 3D printing setup. Number 5. FMEA prusa 3D Printer. The FMEA FMT01-5 3D printer from mainland China offers a reliable and efficient printing experience with a slice thickness of 0.4 millimeter and a printing speed of up to 150 millimeters per second. Operating on a power supply of 110 volt 20 volts, this printer supports filaments such as PLA, ABS, PVA, and wood, with a consumables diameter of 1.75 millimeters. It features a nozzle diameter of 1.75 millimeters and a maximum print size of 200 by 200 by 200 millimeters, utilizing 3DP molding technology for quality prints. The FMEA FMT01-5 has a precision level of 0.04 millimeters and XY 0.1 millimeters, ensuring detailed and accurate prints. It operates on a voltage range of 110 to 220 volts and has a bed temperature of 60 degrees Celsius and a nozzle temperature of 250 degrees. The printer supports file formats like STL and G-code with slicing software compatibility with Cura and Simplify 3D. With a color print speed of 100 millimeters per second, the FMEA FMT01-5 offers fast and vibrant printing capabilities. The printer does not have auto-leveling functionality and supports the English language for user interface. With CE certification, this printer meets quality and safety standards, making it a reliable choice for 3D printing enthusiasts. The FMEA FMT1-5 is equipped with an SD interface type for connectivity and is compatible with Windows, Linux, and macOS operating systems, providing versatility and convenience for users.